The history of the production company. This is Nicole Apelian, mother, herbalist, survival skills instructor, and biologist. She graduated with a degree in biology from McGill University, where she further developed her herbal skills in the Kalahari Desert. Lived there for years with one of the oldest cultures on Earth, the San Bushmen. Many still live on what the land provides in terms of food and medicine, and many of them live well into old age without ever taking pills or seeing the inside of a hospital. When Nicole was 29 years old, she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, an incurable autoimmune disease that causes the immune system itself to attack the brain and spinal cord. Because of the disease, she lived in constant agony, most of the time in a wheelchair. The sadness was that the Western treatment prescribed by her doctors did not provide relief for Nicole. For the past 20 years, she has been managing her illness using the natural remedies she has been growing in her backyard. Today she resorts to my little pharmacy in her backyard whenever I have pain, fever, and so on. It's been a long time since she's been through a pharmacy. I have everything she needs is right there in her backyard for her and the whole family. What is the Medicinal Garden Kit? We made this Medicinal Garden Kit because we wanted to empower others to take their health into their own hands. We think that everyone should have a medicinal garden in their backyard. This way, they can easily go and choose the medicine they need at any time. Your backyard pharmacy will be there for you, even in times of crisis when pharmacies may be closed or looted. Imagine walking into your backyard and looking at your new colorful medicinal garden. Your backyard will smell like fresh lavender and chamomile. You can harvest any of these medicinal plants and turn it into the medicine you need. Nicole Apelian has gathered all the seeds for 10 herbs inside the Medicinal Garden Kit. All these seeds were handpicked from the best plants, as she wanted nothing less than top quality seeds. With your seed kit, you will also receive a free medicinal guide that shows you how to turn these 10 plants into tinctures, ointments, salves, poultices, decoctions, infusions, essential oils, all in small detail, so you can follow our guide even if you have never made an herbal medicine in your life. Inside your Medicinal Garden Kit, you will find 10 smaller packages with each type of seed, 2,409 high-quality seeds packaged in the USA. Even if you have never planted anything before, you will have no problem growing these 10 plants. You'll find details on how to plant, grow, and harvest each one in the free medicinal guide you'll receive with your Medicinal Garden Kit. And I would have been willing to pay a lot for it. Just think about how much money is spent at the pharmacy. The average American spends $1,742 a year. I think your new backyard pharmacy will save you at least a few hundred of that. That's what I call a good investment. But that doesn't even matter, because you are investing in something much more important: your health. If you want to treat yourself naturally, then this is the medicinal garden you want to have in your backyard. Don't take your health for granted, as I did. Don't wait until it deteriorates to do something about it. One day it may be too late. Click the button below now to have this medicinal garden in your backyard and start taking care of your health naturally. Planting a medicinal herb garden will bring new and exciting aspects to your green world, and many benefits. But still, if you don't want to plant them now, for whatever reason, you can keep the seeds for when you think the time is right. I know some people who have taken 3 medicinal garden kits each, just to store them in case of a crisis affecting our medical system and pharmaceutical chains. These medicinal garden kits are perfect for people who want to be more self-sufficient, and for those who are preparing for the worst of times. With your Medicinal Garden Kit, you will always have a reliable, safe, and completely free natural alternative at your fingertips. All 10 of these medicinal plants are good companions for vegetables and fruit trees, but you can also plant them in the front yard if you so desire. Most of the medicinal herbs found in the kit are perennials that die back in winter and reappear in spring, or self-seeding annuals that become well-established after the first year. The Big Deals channel thanks you for sticking around, and we want to close by saying, get your Medicinal Garden Kit today. But remember, buy only through the official website. We at Big Deals put the link in the video description and also in the first comment.